Big Tractor Power fans, this video comes to you from a cornfield located southwest of Nashville, Tennessee. A John Deere 7500 self-propelled forage harvester is just starting to harvest the field. This machine was manufactured at John Deere's Harvester Works located in Zweibrücken, Germany from 2002 through 2007. It's powered by a John Deere 12.5-liter, 765 cubic inch, 6-cylinder diesel engine rated at 505 horsepower. The chopper is harvesting the crop with a John Deere 778 row-independent corn head. This big self-propelled forage harvester cuts a swath 20 feet wide, taking in 8 rows of 30-inch space corn. During the video, I'll climb up in the cab of the 7500 to show you the operator's perspective of chopping corn. But first, let's head out to the field so you can see and hear all this forage harvesting action.
See how it's coming out where what you're seeing is the silage from the back of the chute. And when I got them behind me, I run both of them, and you can see where it's falling like that.
So you just touch that and then it goes back and forth.
Right, that's cool. And I can put it all on this. Right there. When the chute's raised all the way up, when they're behind me, that one on the left is not pointed at the ground, so it's more of a, okay. And then you can see better.
The John Deere 7500 self-propelled forage harvester has finished chopping this field, and now it's off to start harvesting the next field of corn. The farm's dump trucks are running back and forth from the fields to the farm to unload the corn silage, where it will be stored to become feed for dairy cows. This farm utilizes two John Deere tractors to push and pack the corn silage into the feed bunk. The first tractor in operation, equipped with a dozer blade, is a 275 engine, 225 PTO horsepower John Deere 8630 tractor manufactured in Waterloo, Iowa from 1975 through 1978. The other tractor on the pile that is packing in the corn silage is a 165 PTO horsepower John Deere 4650 tractor manufactured in Waterloo, Iowa from 1982 through 1988. I hope you've enjoyed spending some time on this Tennessee dairy farm, seeing all the big John Deere farm machines involved in harvesting corn silage. If you would like to see more videos like this one, consider subscribing to Big Tractor Power YouTube, where there's over 1,000 videos of farm machines in action. As always, thank you for watching.